Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
In New York, I merely rock, hiding in my socks. Running from a up, and I shoot at up.
It's 8:21 in the morning, and we're already at over $10,000 in sales. So safe to say the sales working. Also at a 7.5% conversion rate. We're gonna run out of pillows. We're running out of the college pillows for sure. We could even run out of the Dawn. We have like 2,000 in inventory right now, but it sells really well. So it's not even Black Friday yet. It's literally November 21st. But I guess it's the start of a Black Friday deal. $1,900 in ad spend and $300 in sales. It's insane. Already probably profitable like $5,000. 50% margins like right now, which is nuts. See how the rest of the day plays out, honestly. Maybe do something cool. If everything's going well and smooth, let's fucking go to Vegas.
Vegas won once again. Now we're leaving.
Yo,
What up?
what up, man? What a day.
Dude, the shit's pumping.
I know, I'm sitting in here, I was just on a call, and it's like I hear the clicker behind me just going insane.
Yeah, it's been nonstop.
I know, it's crazy how high the conversion rate's been. Now it's like we're holding steady, or it's like the sales are, we haven't even gotten towards, Friday night when people are getting home off work.
It looks like the 1,500 revenue hours, like the low mark.
Yeah,
Give or take.
know. I'm excited, man. It's crazy.
Yeah, I was way overstimulated this morning.
I know, I didn't know what to do. I started meal prepping, so I need to do something right now. I'm trying to think, and we only have a few hats. This time next year, once we have an expanded product line, it's if we have just some of these lower, we can even put hats on sale for $20, and then we can even just add them as an upsell offer too, where it's you want to add a hat for $15.
Yeah, at the post purchase. Dude, it might be I think I might be booking a Vegas flight here.
Dude, you should go throw it all on black. If you go, I'll send you some money, and you gotta put some money on Black 13 for me. That always hits.
Throw $1,000 on it, and I'm just gonna tell you it didn't hit. I walk away with
Dude,
180 or whatever.
Yeah, I tell you it didn't hit. Yeah, and I'll be like, oh damn, dude, just have 36
Sorry, man.
in your pocket or whatever it is. Yeah, I think it's 36-1 payout.
Jeez.
Yeah, no, that's sick.
I know.
Summer in Vegas, and then come home tomorrow. Once I get this building and live selling's up, it's then you'd be like, all right, we're flying out to North Carolina to check out the live setup, and then if I go to China too, and then we can just I'll take videos too, and you can fucking pop them in your vlog, Cool, man. I appreciate it, and just let me know if you need anything.
Yeah, you too. Let's freaking go. Let's crush this day. It's N30 plus and do 45 tomorrow.
Yep, and then Black Friday, let's do fucking 60, 70, whatever it is.
So
I don't
insane.
have a frame of reference.
Cool. Let's do it. Let me know if you need anything. I'm sure we'll stay in touch the whole day, but
Yeah.
if anything pops up, let me know.
Sounds good, bro.
All right, dude. We'll catch you later.
Later.
All right, peace. We can go. Now I gotta look into these flights. See if we can go to Vegas here last minute. F1's gonna be tough with the hotel situation, but we'll try to make it work. Well, Vegas is booked, so guess I'm going. The sales are all right, 16,000. I really think we're gonna hit 30 plus today. But after this email and text goes out at 7 Eastern time, and then the email goes out in 8 minutes now, so it's gonna pump up a little bit more. We just got another sale actually. Let's freaking go. All right, cool. I'm gonna get ready and then probably head out of here soon.
King banging dope niggas, John slanging Tyler, walking a strip club, making it rain for 3 hours.
Welcome to Vegas, baby. I knew you were gonna say that. I absolutely knew it. Oh, my gimbal.
Part of me feels like this is wrong.
This is wrong.
Looks really nice out.
Our sales.
Wow.
Still moving? Oh yeah.
Oh, Wait, let me see. I want to scroll through it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can I have your phone for a bit? I want to like just feel the money notifications. Oh.
Well. Look who was complaining for nothing, huh?
Good morning. Vegas won once again. Now we're leaving.
May I have your attention, please?
You actually go through these trees or around them? That's the question.
Through the trees or around them.
That's what I was hoping, just that one branch.
That thing would have been right on the green.
Well,
What are you doing now?
I gave it a run. I don't know. I gotta go see where it went. That's a bummer. I need bears.
Get it together, man.
It's because of my thumb. You get the biggest finger mark on that lens?
No, we don't.
So you can see your paw print. Still buggy. Kinda saved it. That would be good. We should do a photo shoot here and have Jared come and do it.
Okay.
Look at the shirts.
Who's Jared?
Or the photographer guy.
Oh.
That was your hot dog. Is it good? Thanks again.
All right.
But,
It's actually really good.
yeah, I know. Yeah, because I don't think we're gonna check a bag. But hey, it's Black Friday started Friday, by the way. Look. Last 3 days we're at 305,000, which is pretty sick.
Oh yeah, that's sick.
Black Friday hasn't even started yet. That's in what, 2 days? 3 days?
It's about to pop off.
I think tomorrow's gonna be good. Today it's at like almost 11 grand right now, as shown here. But I think tomorrow's gonna do like 15 or 20. All right, it's Black Friday, officially. And just been doing a bunch of like Thanksgiving stuff and letting things go and adjusting a couple of the ads, but right now it's officially Black Friday. So I feel like most people are just like saving, you know, they're spending until today and kind of booming right now. So up 88%, $12,000 so far. It's 11:14 my time. Trying to go for the $30,000 today. I think a lot of people are gonna be shopping in the evening. In the last couple of days, I've done pretty good still. Like, so that Friday we tried to hit that, you know, 30,000. Got to 26.4. Pretty good. Good conversion rate, 6%. Slowed down on Saturday to 16.5. Still not bad, especially ROAS wise and ad spend, but Sunday 16, and it slowed down a bit. Monday makes sense, 11.8. Still not a problem though with the ad spend. Tuesday 14.4, 26th 17,000. Yesterday 14.3. It's kind of wavering, and now today again at 12,072. It was clacking all morning, the Shopify counter. But honestly, the biggest risk, and something I was just thinking about before doing this sale, is like we're lowering our AOV so much. Like taking the pillows down from $68 to $50 was a risk, because now we need to have that conversion rate to like supplement it. I mean, thank goodness that our margins are so healthy. And so like a break-even margin would be 1.6. Break-even ROAS, I mean, should be 1.6, and we haven't fallen below that at all, which is great. So it's still profitable, just not as profitable as it normally would be. But I was worried about that for a little, because it's like, well, if it's not converting super well, then we're kind of not screwed here, but like you don't want to be like breaking even on Black Friday, Summer Monday. But like worst case scenario, as like a new brand that's just like, I guess, getting its name out way more, even if it was break even, and it's like you're getting so many orders and so many eyeballs on it to really grow that that brand awareness. Plus we have such a good returning customer rate because of the quality of the products that like it wouldn't be the bad thing, but good thing the sale's working and it's actually like very profitable. I noticed that in the Black Friday ads, like a lot of the ones that were doing really good were the general ones. So obviously the 45, 47 polos are like the top sellers. But what I noticed Black Friday was the ones that were performing the best, like this one right here, $27 cost per purchase, is a general ad. It's just all polos, it's Haven, right? So it's, you know, nothing to do with 45, 47, which eventually we want to start moving away from and getting more people to, you know, love the brand and the quality of the product in general and buying shirts outside of that, because you can't like build a brand fully on that. It's like a massive, massive goal to be able to build this into a really exitable brand. And that is exactly the way it's going right now, which is super sick. Like I think in the last, I did the calculation a couple days ago, in the last 30 days, like by now it's probably like $90,000 of the revenue is not coming from 45, 47. It's coming from all of our other designs, which is super, super sick to see. It's also funny, I was thinking about, it's like, oh, well, month to date, you know, $310,000. Like that's like a, I know it's revenue, but like that's a specialized doctor's salary. Wearing an outfit like this every single day, it's pretty insane. But it's, you know, so many different routes you can take with business or entrepreneurship when you own your own stuff or work for yourself. It really pays off. So I'm super grateful for that, amongst other things, for Thanksgiving. But oh, Miranda's singing.
Oh, look at my bag charm.
Oh yeah.
That's what I wanted to show you guys too, because this is sick. Got it in Tokyo. Yeah, that's fine. You can say that. And Miranda got me this new outfit. And
It's Skims.
it makes me feel like I need a spicy margarita.
Anytime he like gets a certain outfit on, like it really changes his personality. I think he was on our way to
When I had
Mallorca.
that sick fedora, I was like a European degenerate. And then I dressed up as a celebrity in Mykonos, and that was the time of my life. People were flocking to get my signature. I was in Snapchats.
And he wore the same outfit both nights back to back.
And it never hit harder both nights. We kind of shut that bitch down.
We did.
Like we've got one of them. We have two like feral girls. We
Oh,
have one
yeah.
of them in their group acting like a celebrity and telling people he's DJ. He's not. So, I don't even know if I said, but yesterday we ended at 27. Which is not bad. It's the best day ever. So that's compared to last Friday, it was 26. I barely beat it. I still want to get 30. Today, it's lower at 14 right now, but still very profitable.
Profitable. I like it. That's a cool word.
Profitable.
Very like
Sounds like you're a prostitute.
Yeah.
She's very profitable.
Prostitutable.
Prostitutable. Now that's a funny word. All right. Well, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the entire week is pretty much over. Well, it's, I guess, been longer than a week. Everyone starts it so early now. But revenue is one thing, so let's break down the exact profit that we made over this time period. All right, so like I was saying, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that stuff starts so early. And so basically we've been doing it since November 21st to December 1st. So revenue over that time period was $199,533. I don't even know if you can see this because it's overexposed, but I'll pop it up right there. Let's subtract all the costs. So advertising spend was $82,375. So ROAS wise, it's pretty good. Honestly, it was like a, let's just say 2.3-ish, give or take, which is not too bad considering we dropped the price of all of our polos and just kind of hopefully relied on AOV, but the conversion rate was so good that it didn't really matter. And the next biggest expense was cost of goods sold. So the actual product, like the polos, and then also that includes like the packaging and the custom tape and all that stuff. The total cost for all of those orders was $53,599. Now the third biggest expense was shipping. So shipping and warehousing essentially is the exact same cost for us because we're using a 3PL from Zendrop. So they're out in Orlando and they give us really good rates. Also, this is like a super sick, I need to focus on this, but it's a super sick phone case I got in Shanghai Disney. Just, I don't know, it's pretty sick. But anyway, They give us a really good rate. So the total shipping costs, including warehousing fees and fulfillment and all that stuff, was $18,802. This is actually more than it normally is. That's because the shipping costs over the holidays are more expensive, like USPS increases their rates. So it was a little bit higher. For Shopify fees, we're on the Shopify Plus plan. So the total of all the orders came out to $4,474. Those were all the costs that were incurred over that time period, but we also got some returns. So we don't get the shipping costs back and we don't get the Shopify fees back, but we do get the cost of goods sold back, right? So they're sending back the product. The amount of goods sold back, or essentially polos that came back to us, was $1,092, which we actually have to add on to the net profit technically. Adding all of that up and essentially subtracting it from the revenue, we ended with a total of $41,375 profit. All right, so I'd say this is a success. It was a really good Black Friday. It was a great experience. We had a lot of fun during it as well, a lot of stress, a lot of prepping, but overall it was really a good time and really successful, and I think it really established the brand, considering it's the first 7 months of actually scaling it up. It was honestly an awesome time, and I'm really glad that I documented it. I hope that you guys like this video because I haven't really posted a video like this before. I'm really trying to get into this like vlogging, day in the life business type of thing. And so, you know, any feedback would be super helpful for one. I hope it gave you guys like a really good insight, and I appreciate everyone that's staying this long in the video. This is definitely something that I want to do moving forward and kind of take that direction with my channel. But if you enjoyed, please leave a like down below. Leave a comment of what you want to see next, what you want to see more of, because it really helps me out creatively and direction-wise. All right, sick. So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
In New York, I